Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at the MSI GF65 thin gaming laptop. Alright, so let's get into this box. This is the MSI GF65 gaming laptop. Ordered it from Canada Computers. It was around $1,800, give or take. Okay, it says True Gaming, strictly for gaming. This has the 3060 RTX GPU from NVIDIA. It's got a screen size of 15.6 inches. Maximum resolution 1080. The screen has a refresh rate of 144 Hertz. It comes with 16 gigs of memory. It's got a 512 gigabyte SSD. Windows 10, of course. It's not a touch screen. And yeah, let's see what's in this box. All right. So let's take this off. All right, there's the laptop itself. Let's see what's in here first and foremost. Looks like we got the power cable. All right, put that to the side. I'm sure there's something else in here. Let's take a look. Let's lift this up. All right, what do we have under here? It looks like we have some manuals, some instruction booklets, probably the warranty. Let's put that to the side. Let's see what else is in here. Right, it looks like it's the power brick. Take that out of the package. Yeah, it's pretty thin. It's not as bulky as I thought it would be. All right, put that to the side. Let's see what this laptop's all about. Again, this is the MSI GF65 thin gaming laptop. All right, take a look at this laptop. It's pretty thin, as the name suggests. Looks like we have an earphone jack. Looks like we have two USB-A ports and two USB-C and Ethernet jack and a Kensington lock. Underneath, lots of ventilation to cool the 3060 GPU. See a lot of heat pipes, so copper heat pipes under there. Let's take a look at what's inside. RTX, Intel i7 CPU. So here we go. All right, let's check out the keyboard. Oh, the power button. I'm not really liking the power button. It's a little flimsy. Keyboard, the travel is okay. Not a lot of travel, but it feels good. The mouse pad there. All right, well, that's it. The MSI GF65 thin gaming laptop. And hope to see you on the next one. Thank you for joining me in the isolation chamber. This has been Texelated, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.